So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 5 questions to answer on the topic chemical bonding. So guys, this video will be all about relative atomic mass based on carbon 12. So guys, in short, stay till the end of this video. Also guys, if you feel you want to answer any question here before we provide the answer, you can always pause this video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, the first question here says calculate the molar mass of magnesium chloride. So guys, let's go ahead and do that here. Let's zoom into our workspace. So first of all, we have magnesium chloride as MgCl2. So to calculate for the molar mass of this, that would be the atomic mass of magnesium, which is 24. So plus the atomic mass of chlorine times 2. So that will be 2 times atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.5 here. So guys, let's make use of our calculator here. So we have 24 plus 35.5 times 2 is 71. So let's add this together. That'll give us 95 here. So guys, this will be 95 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of magnesium chloride. So guys, that will be all for that question, and we'll wipe this and then we'll go ahead and check out the next question. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 2, and the question says calculate the relative molar mass of calcium hydrogen tetroxosulfate 6. So guys, again, first of all, we need to let's zoom into our workspace here. So the first thing we need to do is to write the chemical formula. We have calcium hydrogen tetroxosulfate 6. So this is calcium hydrogen tetroxosulfate 6. So we're going to calculate the molecular mass of this compound. So first of all, calcium is 40. Then we know that everything in this bracket will be multiplied by 2. So let's do 2 brackets. So H is 1 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen is 16 times 4 here will be 64. So when we multiply everything here by 2, we'll have 40 plus, let's say 64 plus 32 plus 1. So 97 times 2 here will be 194. So that's 194. So when we'll add this 194 to this 40 here, we'll have 234. So guys, that will be the answer to this question, and that's 234 grams per mole. So guys, option A here is the answer to this question. That's 234 grams per mole. So guys, we're simply going to go ahead and check out the next question here, and that's question number 3. So guys, the question says, what is the percentage of sulfur in sulfur dioxide? So guys, we want to know the percentage of sulfur in sulfur dioxide. So we are going to write the chemical compound here, sulfur dioxide. So guys, to know the percentage of sulfur in this sulfur dioxide, we're just going to do the mass of sulfur over the mass of this compound, sulfur dioxide, then multiplied by 100, which indicates percentage. So guys, sulfur is 32. Sulfur has an atomic mass of 32. So this will be over 32 plus 16 times 2 is also 32. So this will be multiplied by 100. So guys, this will entail 32 over 32 plus 32. That's 32 over 64 times 100. So guys, let's go ahead and check this out on our calculator. 32 over 64 will give us 0.5. So when we multiply this by 100, we'll have 50. So guys, that's 50% here. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Let's wipe this, guys, and then consider the next question. The next question here is question number 4. It says the relative atomic mass is the ratio of the average mass per atom of an element to A, 1/12 of the mass of carbon-12, B, 1/12 of the mass of carbon-6 atom, C, 1/12 of the mass of carbon-24 atom, D, 1/6 of the mass of carbon-6 atom. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's 1/12 of the mass of carbon-12 atom. So the relative atomic mass is actually the ratio of the average mass of an atom of an element to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12. So guys, that's the answer to this question, and that's option A here. So let's consider the next question and the last. So that's question number 5. So guys, the question says calculate the relative molecular mass of calcium trioxynitrate. So guys, again, we're going to write this formula down. So let's simply zoom into our workspace. So we're going to write the formula calcium trioxynitrate here. So when we have this, we can now go ahead and find the molecular mass of this compound here, or this molecule. So here calcium is 40, then plus, so remember everything here will be multiplied by 2, so that's 2 times nitrogen. Nitrogen is 14, and then plus 3 times oxygen. Oxygen is 16, so 16 times 3 will be 48. So 40 plus, so guys, 14 plus 48 will give us 62. So 2 times 62, that's 124. So 40 plus 124, guys, finally we'll have 164 grams per mole. So guys, that's option B here, and that's the correct answer to this question. So let's go ahead and wipe this. So guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also guys, if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership. So this is where we end this video, guys. Thank you for watching this. See you next time.